first step in making our cinnamon sugar pinwheel cookies is you're going to have to put your pie crust out on a floured surface. Make sure that you roll it out, and it shouldn't be very thick. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our cinnamon sugar. I went ahead and already mixed it. So you're going to want to take it and you just kind of sprinkle all of it up over it.
Can I help you? There's a little helper. Okay.
It is somewhat messy, but that's kind of the fun part of it.
The surgery part. Can I have some? I want to do a little bit.
Trying to make sure that it is everywhere.
Taste the sweet. No!
Alright.
He spilled my water!
Once it's like this,
I roll it?
and you've gotten it all over your pie crust, you're going to want to roll it. So we're going to take it, starting over here, and you want it to be somewhat of a tight roll. You don't want it to be too loose.
No!
I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Alright.
Go and catch me.
Okay, once you get it rolled, then we're going to have to be on to cutting. So let's go ahead and get our cookie sheets out, get them greased or sprayed with non-cook spray. Then we're going to be cutting them into about 1-inch cookies, and then we're going to put them in our 350 degree oven. Alright, now I have my cookie sheet ready. I've grabbed a pretty large knife, and we are going to cut into a 1-inch cookie. And these are really pretty, even when they are done. Let's see if we can get you close up. These pretty little swirls in there. And it's going to fluff up because we're using the pie crust, so it's going to be fluffy and crispy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get all of these cut out. And then we're going to pop them in the 350 degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And then we'll be back. There you have it. There's our cinnamon sugar pinwheel cookies. They're really crisp on the outside and they are super gooey on the middle. If you want to, you can make an icing to go on top of these to make them taste a little bit more like a cinnamon roll. They are really delicious. They're super easy. It only takes 3 ingredients and less than 10 minutes in the oven, and you have a really delightful little treat. I hope you guys enjoy these much as I do. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.